This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: because the oxygen sensors are installed in the exhaust manifold or pipe, both of which contract when cool, an oxygen sensor might be very difficult to loosen when the engine is cold. Rather than risk damage to the sensor or its mounting threads, start and run the engine for a minute or two, then shut it off. Be careful not to burn yourself during the following procedure. Upstream oxygen sensor. Pull the hood latch inside the vehicle, then slide the hood release lever and raise the hood upward. Remove the oil filler cap, then the engine cover. Reinstall the oil cap. The Upstream O2 sensor procedure shown is the typical replacement of an upstream sensor. The location of the upstream sensor on these models is at the rear of the engine compartment on the exhaust manifold, which may require the removal of a heat shield to access the sensor. Disconnect the upstream oxygen sensor electrical connector. And clip it from any retainers. Unscrew and remove the upstream oxygen sensor. If you're planning on reinstalling the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If you're installing a new sensor, there is no need to apply anti-seize compound because the threads on the new sensors already have anti-seize pre-applied to them. Install the upstream oxygen sensor, threading it first by hand. Tighten the sensor to 30 foot-pounds. Connect the O2 sensor electrical connector and secure any retaining clips. Remove the oil filler cap to install the engine cover. Then reinstall the oil filler cap and tighten it securely by hand. Downstream oxygen sensor. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Locate the downstream oxygen sensor, then trace the lead up to the electrical connector and disconnect the connector. Unscrew and remove the downstream oxygen sensor. The same rules for applying anti-seize compound to the upstream sensor can also be taken into consideration for the downstream sensor. If reinstalling the old sensor, apply anti-seize to the threads of the sensor. If installing a new sensor, do not apply any anti-seize compound. Install the downstream oxygen sensor, threading it first by hand. Tighten the sensor to 30 foot-pounds. Connect the O2 sensor electrical connector and secure any retaining clips. Safely lower the vehicle.